Hi guys, how's it doing here? Damon here. And I just want to tell you, I got a brand new Twitter account. Just made it today. Yeah, it's a pretty cool one. This is where I'll post some of my stuff. Again, my Facebook account. My name is Damon Denny. You just need to go on the Facebook if you have it, look up my name, and then you can text me stuff. And this is my Google account, where you can also type stuff to me. So, yeah. Now let's start doing this. Animal Jam Part 3. Let's begin. Okay. Here is gonna work. Alright. Because I have been using my arrows on this, just so you guys know. And what the heck is that? Oh. This is Fantasville. It's not that bad. Why is my game lagging so much? Oh my gosh! It's my brother! Or sister! The banana penguin is back. I'm a banana. What one we got 97 out of 100 friends? Why did some of them delete me? I think I might know one did. Well, why did they delete me? That's not nice. Alright. Okay. Ever my den, you guys? Pretty cool den, right? Yeah. Alright. I could change places right now. I know a teleporting glitch. Watch and learn. Ta-da! See, now look, I'm over here. Now I'm over here. Now I'm gonna stop doing that. I don't want to get kicked from the game. But yeah, Animal Jam is a pretty fun game. Well, it doesn't get really that fun unless you're with friends. Oh, man. Later today, you're probably going to play some T-Bob. Alright. Ah, it's so laggy. banana doing? Fluid banana. Okay. Banana awkward pose. Ah, there we go. Oh, high last forever. Oh, nice, I'm a wolf now. So, I hope you guys really like this. My last year analogy video, you couldn't really understand me. So I'm sorry about that. Because I wasn't using my mic. I was using my computer mic, and my computer mic sucks. You know, I've never actually gone down here in a long time. Alright. Ooh, there's jellyfish down here. Come on, I thought I went in. Oh my gosh. Oh crap, I didn't even get the A. Where am I? Fishies! It's small fish. So it's 2:05 for me right now. The last video I recorded was a long time ago. Oh my gosh, it's a jellyfish! What the heck is that thing? I don't know, but whatever it is, it's ugly. Oh my god. Anglerfish pets. Dang it. I need 400 coins and a membership. Alright, dude. Oh. So guys, that's going to be it for today's Animal Jam Part 2. I hope you liked and enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you later.